Vectra continues its development partnership with Amazon Web Services through an integration of Amazon VPC traffic mirroring with the Vectra Cognito platform, enabling rapid detection and response to cyber threats in cloud and hybrid environments. We know that digital transformation is driving more and more workloads to the cloud. Companies are looking to capture favorable business models, dynamic scaling, robust availability, and streamlined management that public clouds deliver. Yet few organizations have visibility into the activity and behavior across cloud workloads to properly secure them, creating risk to enterprises that bet their businesses on the cloud. To fill the blind spot, Vectra fully supports deployment in AWS environments. Deployment is simple and very easy. A copy of all traffic is captured by Amazon VPC traffic mirroring and sent to Vectra's Cognito platform. The platform will be able to deploy its components in full cloud or hybrid environments, giving visibility across all parts of your cloud footprint in order for you to quickly detect and respond to attacks. Now let's take a look at what this experience looks like. When you look into the user interface, your cloud and on-prem hosts and instances are mapped against threat severity and certainty scores. One demonstrates the level of risk, and one is the likelihood of that risk. You'll focus on those in the upper right-hand corner. In this case, we'll pick a host who happens to reside on the enterprise. You'll be able to see identification of behaviors like command and control and lateral movement, but perhaps more importantly, you'd be able to see whether it's part of a broader campaign. When we move into the campaign, we can see that lateral propagation has moved from that original host to EC2 instances such as Zanzibar, Yucaipai, and ShanFS. We also see that each of these has made a connection to an external domain that the attacker coincidentally has also hosted in AWS. You can also take a historical view of all network metadata anchored around the host, session, or campaign in order to conduct a deeper investigation. In this case, we can see that PowerShell has been used, filter for it, and then look at the metadata. From there, you'd be able to conduct deeper searches, perhaps do things like filter for session info so that you can check for hidden tunnel traffic. Look at the metadata itself. For instance, in this case, you can see that the URIs appear not to be human generated. Or you can click on any metadata fields on the left to be able to see the most prevalent observed values. In this case, you can see that the originating host names are consistent with the ones that we saw earlier. For more information about how Vectra Cognito supports your AWS environments, visit vectra.ai.